Good morning, year 3. Miss Eunice is here. Let me explain what you will be doing in your English today. Your next activity is you are going to write a poem. What you are using metaphors. We have written a poem using similes yesterday, and metaphors are slightly different to similes. Simile is when you are using like or as, and if you take away like or as, then it will change into a metaphor. Here, the author says he also started writing a list of similes. You are like a cat. And then he removed the word like. And now he got a metaphor. You are a cat. As you can see here, a metaphor is stronger than a simile. Metaphor is when you say one thing is another. It sounds like a bit of magic. The moon is like a smile. Okay, this is a simile. And then if you take away this like, the moon is a smile. This simile is transformed into a metaphor. You can read this poem, what author has written here, and then you can make a quick list of ideas, different animals, objects, vehicles, things from nature, things from your home, um, or countryside or the town, and then also um, the things which make sounds. You can discuss the feelings. You can also um, include smells, moments, and delicate things. And you can play with all these ideas of creating metaphors. So you can read through this poem, get some ideas, and then make a list of different ideas and use them in your poem. That's it for today. Bye for now.